My name's Rick Murphy. I'm the Technical Support and Specifications Director for Everest Systems. We're here at our plant in Houston. We're going to showcase our Eco Level. It's a leveling compound for filling in low areas. At Everest Systems, we don't just sell products, we sell systems and solutions. Anytime you have ponding water, there's potential that you can have problems down the road. So we've come up with a two-part product that you mix on the job site, pour in, and it will eliminate those ponds. We want a product that's going to work for the customer, for the contractor, so everybody wins in that situation. So a lot of times on a foam roof, you may do an entire roof and have one or two blisters. Rather than bring a foam machine back in to take care of that, you can use our Eco Level leveling compound, come out, mix it up on the job, pour it in, coat it within an hour, walk away. You don't have to bring the high-priced foam rig out to fix that. Another thing that we're doing here, we've got a metal panel with a simulated curb that's blocked. We come in and we've caulked around this to get it Eco Level tight, and then we mix our product and pour it in. So we're going to go through the process of getting a bucket of Eco Level, how to use it, how to mix it. One of the things you're going to do, you need to have everything prepped on the roof, make sure everything's dry, clean. We'll hold the Eco Level. There's no gaps that it's going to run through. When you open the bucket, you're going to see a pouch in a liner. The pouch is the A chemical. The liner is just holding the pouch out of the B chemical that's in the bottom. Take the liner out, get your mixer in. You're going to add the A chemical into the B while you're mixing it. You'll mix that for 3 to 5 minutes. The key to success for this product is to have it thoroughly mixed. So once you think you have it thoroughly mixed, mix it another 3 to 5 minutes before you try to put it on the roof. Once you have your product thoroughly mixed, come over to your areas that you have prepped and pour it in to the point of overflow. Pour it in slowly or you can get too much and it'll run out. So this is our simulation of a metal roof with a curb that's ponding water. Once again, pour it in until it overflows. You want it to just start overflowing around the edges. That way it'll shed every drop of water off of it. Eco Level is a cost-effective and efficient solution to eliminate ponding water areas on a roof. It comes in 2.5 and 4 gallon kits. Contact your local Everest sales representative for more information on Eco Level.